Welcome to Study Loop.
This question asks us about the RNA world hypothesis. So, when we're talking about the RNA world hypothesis, we're really referring to the idea that RNA came first. It's kind of like asking the question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, in this case, with the RNA world hypothesis, we're saying that the egg came first, essentially, right? The RNA, which really wouldn't exist, wouldn't have a need to exist if, let's say, this hypothesis was ignored and we were just thinking theoretically here. What's the point of RNA existing? Like, let's think of mRNA, right? To produce protein if there's no DNA. Well, the idea with the RNA world hypothesis is saying that, well, maybe we didn't need the DNA at first. We could just basically have our genetic code encoded in RNA, and that RNA would serve catalytic functions. So it could be used. You wouldn't really need to transfer it and translate it into protein. You could just use the RNA as if it was a protein and use it just for its enzymatic catalytic function. And the idea behind this is that we see RNA has the capability to catalyze reactions. RNA kind of serves as an enzyme, which is very interesting because you usually think of proteins as being enzymes. But we see that specifically in the ribosome, right? If we think of our ribosome, there's the large subunit. You usually have your mRNA running through here, and you've got your smaller subunit below it, the small subunit. Once again, we're talking about the ribosome here. And basically, the idea here is that the ribosome catalyzes the transfer of the amino acid to the growing polypeptide chain, from the tRNA that brings it. You got your tRNA here. The ribosome RNA, the ribosomal RNA, is responsible for this transfer. So this is basically saying that there's catalytic activity within the ribosome that is produced by the RNA component, not the protein component of the ribosome. So that is where the RNA world hypothesis comes in, to say that the RNA came first and had some sort of catalytic activity. So the answer choice that best represents this is answer choice A.